We will be giving you a tutorial on how to use the Contact Us, User Guide and FAQs features on the Trust platform. As you scroll down on the homepage, you will see the Contact Us information. You then will see fields that you need to fill in. Fill in your full name, email address, and your message. Click Submit and the query will be sent to our team, and you will also receive an email on the email address you have provided, which states that we have received your query, and we will get back to you. You can also choose to contact us on the telephone number provided, or send a direct email to the email address provided. We also provided our users with our address, map, as well as our Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube page. You can then click on Sign Up, select I am a student, and at the top right corner, you will see the FAQs button. Click on the button. You will also see How Do I Use Trust, and just below that is the User Guide pin. Click on the User Guide pin, and it will open a PDF document which guides the student on how to use the Trust platform. You can then click back, and it will take you to the FAQs page again. Just below the User Guide pin, you are able to see the video tutorial on how to use the Trust platform as a student. You can click on the video, and it will play without redirecting you to YouTube. Scroll down where you will see the FAQs. When you click on a question, a drop-down of the answer to the question will show. You can do that for all the questions that we have. After going through these two features, User Guide and FAQs, and you feel like your question or questions have still not been answered, you are welcome to send a query, and our team will get back to you.